Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, many students find multiple choice questions difficult. In this podcast, I'm going to tell you how to overcome this difficulty and how to grab the right answer from some confusing answers. Let's make a start. Okay, please follow me here. I've got this multiple choice question set in IELTS listening part 2. So I'm going to demonstrate how to find the right answer and how to locate the wrong answer. Instead of looking for the right answer, if you learn to locate the wrong answer, you will be able to get good bench score. Okay, now it's all about a boat trip. You can see written boat trip round Tasmania. Tasmania is the name of the place, but it is all about boat trip. Okay, now the question is, what is the maximum number of people who can stand on each side of the boat? Now imagine this is the boat and maximum number of people who can stand on each side of the boat. There are two sides. People will not stand here. Okay, people will stand on this side or this side. Maximum number of people who can stand. Now for example, they've given you 9, option A, 15 option B, and 18 option C. Now, if 18 people can stand on each side, total people will be 36. If 15 people can stand on each side, total people will be 30, and same is the case with 9. Now, you need to focus. They will talk about 9, 15, 18. But you need to focus, what is the total number of people who can stand on each side of the boat? Now, I play the audio. By the way, this podcast is all about multiple choice questions. Okay, now please listen and see what is the right answer, and then I'll tell you how to locate it.
You will hear a tour guide, Lou Miller, speaking to a group of people about a boat trip they are going to take around the Australian island of Tasmania.
So, hello everyone, my name's Lou Miller and I'm going to be your tour guide today as we take this fantastic boat trip around the Tasmanian coast. Before we set off, I just want to tell you a few things about our journey. Our boats aren't huge, as you can see. We already have 3 staff members on board, and on top of that, we can transport a further 15 people.
Okay, now you see 3 staff members on board and we can further transport 15 people. So total number of people on the boat, that is 18. Understand? 3 staff members on board and we can further transport 15 people. Now listen on.
That's you around the coastline. But please note, if there are more than 9 people on either side of
If there are more than 9 people, more than 9 means maximum number of people. And he says if there are more than 9 people on either side of the boat,
we'll move some of you over.
We will move some of you over. It means maximum number of people is 9. Understand? Right? They talked about 15, they talked about 18, and see that?
Otherwise, all 18 of us will end up in the sea.
Otherwise, all 18 of us will end up in the sea. So, maximum number of people who can stand on each side is 9. Total people are 15, right? 15 and then 3 staff members. 18 are total people, right? 15 passengers we can carry, and that is 18. Now, please listen to it again.
You will hear a tour guide, Lou Miller,
and I'm going to be your tour guide today as we take this fantastic boat trip around the Tasmanian coast. Before we set off, I just want to tell you a few things about our journey. Our boats aren't huge, as you can see. We already have 3 staff members on board, and on top of that, we can transport a further 15 people, that's you, around the coastline. But please note, if there are more than 9 people on either side of the boat, we'll move some of you over. Otherwise, all 18 of us will end up in the sea.
Okay, and correct answer is going to be A, and you will not write A and then you write 9 with it. On your answer sheet, you will write A. Now, let's go on. We do another question. Question number 12. again try to understand the question, okay? Question number 12. What color are the tour boats? Now just see and try to understand the color of tour boats will be the right answer. If I ask you what color is your car, you will say my car is black. Now when you say my car is black, do you talk about interior color or exterior color? Exterior, obviously, and it is understood that you are talking about exterior color, right? So they will talk about the interior color of the boat. That is not your answer. They will talk about the color of seats of the boat. That is not the answer. They may tell you our boats used to be. Now see, the question is about present. What color are the boats? It's not that what color were the boats. So they may talk about the past, like our boats were and a color, right? They may talk about interior color, the color of the seats, but the exterior color of the boat at present will be the right answer. There are three options: dark red, jet black, light green. Okay, now you need to see the color of the boats. That will be the right answer.
We've recently upgraded all our boats. They used to be jet black.
They used to be jet black. What does it mean? Past tense. They used to be jet black. So question is, what color are? Are means present. Used to be means past. So jet black will not be the right answer, and we will cross jet black from the list. Now two options are left.
But our new ones now have these comfortable dark red seats.
Now the new ones have comfortable dark red seats. Dark red seats. That's not the color of the boats. Dark red is eliminated as well. And now what is left will be your right answer. This is what I call elimination technique, that you eliminate wrong choices and you will be left with the right answer. Now see how?
And a light red seats and a light green exterior.
And a light green exterior. So what color are the tour boats? Light green exterior. Correct answer is C. On your answer sheet, you will write C as the right answer. Good. Happy. This is my first podcast and I decided to make my first podcast on IELTS listening. Okay, let's go on. Question number 13. Which lunchbox is suitable for someone who doesn't eat meat or fish? Now, doesn't eat meat or fish means someone who is a vegetarian. Now, there are total 3 lunch boxes. Out of 3 lunch boxes, 2 lunch boxes will contain meat in any form or fish. And 1 lunch box is going to be without meat or fish, and that will be your right answer. Again, elimination technique will help you.
We offer you a free lunchbox during the trip, and we have 3 types. Lunchbox 1 contains ham and tomato.
Lunchbox 1 contains ham and tomato. Now, those who do not understand ham and they understand tomato, they will say, I found the answer. A is the right answer. Tomato. No, ham. Ham is actually pig's meat. So, lunchbox that does not contain meat or fish will be the right answer, but lunchbox 1 contains ham and tomato. So you need to cross it from the list. Now, 2 options left and chances of success, they are 50-50.
Sandwiches. Lunchbox 2 contains a cheddar cheese roll.
Lunchbox 2 contains a cheddar cheese roll. They did not talk about any meat, any fish, only cheddar cheese roll. Okay, so lunchbox B will be the right answer because it contains cheddar cheese roll. And now listen for lunchbox C.
Cheese roll. And lunchbox 3 is salad based.
And lunchbox 3 is salad based. Now many students, salad based, doesn't eat meat or fish. Yahoo! Okay, no, now listen on. Lunchbox 3 is salad based.
Roll. And lunchbox 3 is salad based and also contains eggs and tuna.
And also contains eggs and tuna. Now those who do not know what tuna is, they will select it and they will be 200% sure that they found the right answer, but it is the wrong answer because tuna is fish. They mentioned doesn't eat meat or fish. So correct answer is not C. The right answer is B. You understand? This is the mechanism of multiple choice questions, I'm telling you. Let's do one more question. Question number 14. What should people do with their litter? Now, some students don't understand the meaning of litter. Litter means garbage. So what is it that students should do with their garbage? There are three options. Take it home, right? Put your litter in a plastic bag and put it in your backpack or take it home. Option B, hand it to a member of staff. There will be a staff member who will collect all the litter from you. Then it is option B. And option C, put it in the bins provided on the boat. On the boat, there will be some dust bins and you're supposed to put your litter in the dust bins. So if you're supposed to put your litter in the dust bins, option C. If they say we don't have any bins on the boat, it's not C, right? Option B, if they say collect all the litter and give it to one of our staff members, they will take care of it for you. Then it is option B. Right? And if they say, well, we will be quite busy, therefore you have to manage your litter on your own. See that? Then it is not B. And for take it home, they will say, please, we will give you some plastic bags, put your litter in the plastic bag, and when you go back home, you can dispose it off. Then it is A. I'm telling you how they talk about them. Now I play the audio. Please listen and answer.
I'm sure I don't have to ask you not to throw anything into the sea. We don't have any bins to put litter in, but
we don't have any bins to put the litter in. Put it in the bins provided on the board. We don't have any bins to put the litter in. C is gone. Now let's see. What is the next option?
Jess, myself, or Ray, our other guide, will collect it from you.
Okay, Jess, Ray and other guide will collect it from you. That is option B. Hand it to a member of staff. Now see, hand it to a member of staff. Jeff, Ray or other guy will collect it from you. He will collect it from you and you will hand it to them. This is how they work. So correct answer is option B. Now why option A is wrong?
Will collect it from you after lunch and put it all in a large plastic sack.
That's it. They didn't even talk about it. They didn't say take it home. So correct answer is option B. Got it? So this is the core concept of multiple choice questions, and through these 4 questions I tried my level best that in this short podcast I should tell you how the multiple choice questions and the audio they work, how do they actually trick you, right? How do they change the options and how to find the right option. That's all guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.